Are you tired of constant hassle, of muscle cramps and backaches, headaches and frustration? Well, these aches and pains may be caused by those bypass damper install jobs. You know, calling the zones, checking the damper over and over and over and over. The time-consuming hassle, the constant headaches and frustrations, not to mention the cost to you in time and money. All of these symptoms are caused by guessing wrong, time after time after time, playing the weighted arm balancing game. More likely than not, you're one of the thousands of installers suffering from chronic DDIS, or dysfunctional damper install syndrome. Fortunately, the engineers at Honeywell have developed a cure. Just say hello to the new TrueZONE Bypass, the end of DDIS. And say hello to Senior Product Specialist David Arneson, who will show us, compared to the old SPRD method, just how easy TrueZONE is to install and adjust.
Right, it's really easy. First, install the damper with the arrow pointing in the direction of the airflow, both the arrow on the damper and the arrow on the regulator. Next, align the D shaft on the regulator to the D shaft on the damper and turn it counterclockwise, and it's installed.
Wow, that is simple. So, how would you adjust it?
It's really easy. You lift the handle, and when you turn it counterclockwise, the pressure will be lowered, so the system will have a lower static pressure. Turn it the other direction, and now it's at a higher static pressure.
Wow, so does that eliminate all those pesky weighted arm adjustments?
Totally.
So, David, what's next?
Next, make all zones call for fan so the fan runs at high speed. And when it's set that way, the damper should be closed. Check it with this arrow. It's closed, then you're all done. But if it's not, then you'll need to adjust it. With all zones calling, turn it to a higher pressure by turning clockwise. Once the damper is closed, it's set properly.
So how can I make sure that all zones are properly set?
Sure, it probably is, but you can be sure by making only the smallest zone call for a fan. When it does, this will open and listen. When the register is quiet, it's set properly.
So that's it? We're done?
Yep.
No more fussy, finicky, frustrating adjustments?
No.
No more going back and forth from thermostat to damper over and over and over?
Not with TrueZONE.
That's amazing. Find out what more and more pro HVAC installers are discovering about how fast and easy TrueZONE really is. Get a new TrueZONE damper from Honeywell today and say goodbye to dysfunctional damper install syndrome forever. That's the best. Yeah.